weeks later.
After 3 weeks of being in a tree, I'm happy to report that that quad is on the fucking ground. Just wanted to show you too, this is the quad that was stuck in the tree. It was in there for about 3 weeks, the day before I left. The day that I put it in the tree was the day before I left for vacation, and I was gone for a week, which was unfortunate because I couldn't get back to it. It's an Alien R5. It's got my GoPro. The GoPro battery wasn't even dead on it. It's got these DYS Samguk motors on them with the DYS F4, TBS Unify, Runcam. I don't even know. It's an older Runcam. But anyway, everything, believe it or not, still works except my receiver. The only thing on this quad that is broken right now is the receiver. Watch this. And I'm going to even plug it into Betaflight and spin them up too. I didn't even take this apart. I didn't clean it up. I am going to clean it up, but I just wanted to show you. I couldn't believe it. As soon as I got it down and I knew it was dry, I went ahead and made sure that it was dry before I plugged it in. And I plugged it back in, and it went. So I'm in Betaflight right now because I can't get through the receiver, but all four of the motors spin up, no problem. Not too bad for a quad that sat in a tree for 3 weeks.